Now we will see how to find greatest common divisor and least common multiple of the numbers using Microsoft Excel. So first we will enter the data. These are the numbers of which I am going to find GCD and LCM. After that, select the cell where I want to display the GCD, that is the output of the function. Press the equal to sign from keyboard. Type the function in capital GCD. Explanation of the function, you can see, returns the greatest common divisor. Now in the open bracket, round open bracket, enter the argument, that is the numbers of which we want the GCD. So select the range of the numbers in the round bracket, complete the round bracket and press the enter key. In this way, we get the GCD of these numbers using the function GCD. Now we will find the LCM of these numbers in Excel. For that purpose, we will select the cell to display the LCM, that is the output of the function. Press the equal to sign from keyboard and type in capitals LCM. You can see the explanation of the output. LCM returns the least common multiple. Now in round open bracket, enter the argument, that is the numbers of which we are going to find the least common multiple. Select the range of the numbers, complete the round bracket and press the enter key. We can see using LCM function we have found least common multiple of these numbers. So we have seen that we can find the greatest common divisor of the numbers using the function GCD and least common multiple of the numbers using the function LCM in Microsoft Excel.